Hillhead. We've come to see the UV and the filters that are getting fitted and are through commissioning. So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
Very good. Do you want to just talk us through what we're looking at here?
Yeah, so we've got the this kiosk that was arrived yesterday with our UV units. Inlet will be coming in from your main and the filters. We'll be coming through the system of UV bulbs in this side.
Yeah.
It will pass through, high level, back out, and then go back out into your main line again.
Obviously, a lot for us to get done in a short period of time.
Yes, it's been some, and the guys outside there, you've got to take your hats off, they've been working all sorts of hours through the night, everything to get the job done.
Yeah. Now come outside to look at the filters that have arrived. So obviously this is another barrier for the crypto.
This water is pumped up from Bolston Service Reservoir. It's pumped up at a rate of around 120 metres cube per hour, which is about 120 tonne water an hour.
Wow.
Those pumps operate on and off in the day. This reservoir Hillhead speaks to Bolston pumps and they manage the level through a radio link.
Excellent. So going forwards then, UV, deactivate, filter, blocks.
Yes, absolutely.
I think for me what's quite amazing is the fact that I was here just on Monday and all we had got was the excavation and prepared the ground ready for this. Dan, your thoughts?
I think the sheer level of engineering work that's gone in over the last couple of years is phenomenal, to be honest. I've spent a few years in the industry and this is by far the biggest sort of engineering and operational activity I've seen. And to be in the position we are after a couple of days is phenomenal. We've delivered a UV plant down from the north of the country. We're looking to police chiefs to get us access through roads, etc. There's just many occasions on this which are, I think the first really along the way. So it's really impressive. And the team have pulled up the stops 24/7.